Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is October 19, 2015, and today's Monday morning. So looking at the economic calendar starting out this week, not much going on. Some numbers coming out of China, but obviously that's not relevant to us. Relevant in the sense that we can't trade the CNY, the Chinese yuan. However, it'd be interesting how the monetary policy does come out of there in line with what's going on with their equity market over the past 3 months. But it should be kind of interesting, so keep an eye on it on the Hang Seng. But looking at everything else, not much news coming out today in terms of the economic calendar. It seems like it's going to be a quiet day today, but let's go over the charts and see what happened towards last week. Looking at the EURUSD here, towards last week, we went from 111 to 114.63-ish level, 88-ish level. As you can see here, a big rally in the EURUSD, dollar getting much weaker, obviously. Multiple opportunities to jump in, one of them being right here. We had made a lot of supports and resistance line, and we're just, on the weekly, we're right there. Okay, this is as far as we've gone in the past half a year, almost a year. So could be we'll have a rally that will take us to 120 before the year's end, but that's my personal prediction. And to tell you the truth, it's my gut feeling, because as we're inching up higher here, we're looking a little bit more bullish with this formation. I could be wrong, obviously, but that's my take on it right now. Looking at the GBPUSD, also rallying from 151 to 154, and just tattling in the middle of the range right now at 154. So it's a little bit harder to see which direction it's going to go, if it's going to falter back to 151 or if it's going to take out 156. That has remained to be seen, but if you keep it on your radar, perhaps you'll see how we could break up higher. Looking at the GBP Japanese yen, we're at 184. Also, Japanese yen getting much weaker towards against the GBP, as the GBP has been gaining ground. I would have expected to be a little bit higher, but right now we are at 184. The question is, will it continue this rally and go into this 187 level? But there's about, I would say, 3 months left to the end of the year, 2.5 months left to the end of the year, so should be kind of interesting how that follows through. Looking at the Dow Jones. Dow Jones rallied big time into Halloween season, as predicted by many of the analysts in the markets. So the question is it going to hold this above 17,000 level? I would get a little bit short between 171, 129, and 17,309. So anywhere between this level, I'd probably start getting short a little bit. Just because it's not so clear that the markets are back. There was a reason why there was a sell-off. If it's China or what have you, it was justified. So to a certain degree, let's see if we'll continue going up. That's the question that shall remain. Looking at oil, we're in the middle of the range here at 46.90. Not much going on either on their outer limits at $44 a barrel and $49 a barrel respectively. So in the middle of the range, not much to say about it. Looking at gold, gold sold off over the past couple of days from 1183 to 1171. Not a big move, not a big retracement for gold at all. Seeing how it's been really rallying from 11,000. There's multiple opportunities to pick it up here at 11,000, and it really took it up 100 points almost. And it should be interesting how this trades against the Dow. As I've mentioned before, one goes up, the other goes down. So the gold is usually a safety net for people looking to have their investment strategies a little bit more conservative, and when the equity markets go down, the gold usually goes up. So keep an eye on gold for now, as it could be still in play vis-a-vis the Dow Jones and vis-a-vis the euro. This is Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.